What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm from New Jersey, but this is another travel vlog. So the vlog before this was a few days in Vienna, Austria. So this is Amsterdam, weekends in Amsterdam travel guide. So I'm gonna try my best to really get a lot of sightseeing in, and we're definitely gonna be major tourists while we're here. Good food, good sightseeing, and good vibes. A little after 6 p.m. So we have this night, Friday night, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. We leave Monday morning or Monday afternoon. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. Amsterdam for the day. We're in the canal district right now. last full day here in Amsterdam. We don't have too much planned for today. I know we're gonna tour one of the museums. If you're gonna do the Van Gogh Museum or the Anne Frank Haus, you need to book that like probably a month in advance, which I didn't realize, so we're not able to do those. But I think we'll go to the Modern Art Museum, which is called the MoCo, and just see a few other things. Vondel Park, there's a brewery and windmill combo that we'll go to. Yesterday was a pretty full day. I really recommend doing a canal or boat tour. I'll put that link in the description box if you want to book through the same agency. They were absolutely great. We've had some really good food here. Weather feels nice. It's cloudy in the 60s, so I got my little sweater on. It's Monday, October 2nd. We just had breakfast in the hotel. We stayed at the Robo-Bar. It's on the water. It's very nice. I would definitely recommend it. Felt like we were in comfortable walking distance from the central station, which we didn't really use, but it is there. Good to know if you are going to use it. Just from the main city where you walk around. We had a really good time here. I feel like we saw a lot. I think a weekend is a good amount of time to spend in Amsterdam, 2 or 3 days. If this was the spring, I definitely would have done a little day trip to the Keukenhof Gardens, but this is October, so if we ever come back here in April or the spring, I would definitely recommend doing that if you're coming during that time. But that is really the end of this Amsterdam vlog. I know I didn't talk too much to the camera, but hopefully I showed a good amount of what we did, and I'll have things in the description box, excursions, attractions that we did, sightseeing, restaurants, and the hotel that we stayed at for your reference if you want to plan a similar trip or take some inspo from this one. The next stop on our European trip is London, so that's going to be a whole separate vlog. We're also going to York and a few smaller towns in England, so I have to decide if I just want to do one whole England vlog or do a separate London vlog. But stay tuned for the England vlog or vlogs that'll come after this one. And if you didn't check out the one before this, we went to Vienna, Austria for a few days, and I vlogged everything we did there. We did so much sightseeing, had really good food, so definitely check that out. Check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and all my socials. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next vlog.